non-dairy yogurt with fresh fruit. Now, if my brother likes this, and he doesn't really like yogurt, I'll be very happy, because he is picky. We are making vegan yogurt using coconut milk and probiotic. Just take out the cream part. You leave the liquidy part, the watery part, in the can and save that for a smoothie later. Now break up your probiotics and then throw it up. And you cover it loosely and store it in a cabinet. You don't want to refrigerate it, that'll slow down the probiotics. You leave it in there for about 3 or 4 days and stir it once a day. It's gonna be really good. And it'll last a week easily, a week or more in the fridge after it's ready, and get even better and better every day. Flaxseed, shelled hemp. This is good. You know what would be good in this? Some kind of nuts, like a walnut, or maybe even pistachio nuts crushed, sunflower seeds, nutmeg, pumpkin spice. How about a little bit of cinnamon? Let's put some cinnamon here. Ocean spray craisins in. You know what would be good in there? Some sunflower seeds. I got to admit, I'm a midnight snacker. I'm gonna have to check my bedroom for the sunflower seeds. Good news, I found the sunflower seeds and I found the raisins. Sunflower seeds from Island Snacks. Ooh, that looks good. Perfect amount too. We're gonna add some flaxseed and hemp seed and pomegranate powder. Okay, this is the yogurt that's been sitting in the cupboard, warm, growing for the last 4 days. And it's ready to eat now, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious on this fruit and nuts. This is made from coconut milk and probiotics. When it's done, it doesn't taste like coconut milk, it tastes like Greek yogurt. The best Greek yogurt you ever had. It's called flax. Hemp seeds. Powder. Now you could put some brown sugar on that if you want, but it's not at all necessary. Let's give it a try. That is so good. Try this, bro. He likes it. Once again, another vegan victory. Life is a wonderful vegan adventure.